Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for a new way to make some serious cash? Well, listen up, because I have a really amazing method to share with you all today. There's a brand new website that's taking the internet by storm, and it's promising to pay you a whopping $77 per hour on complete autopilot in 2023. Yes, you heard that right. No more stressing, just sit back and let the money roll in. I'll be taking you through exactly what you need to know and do in this video, so be sure to pay close attention over these next few minutes because I don't want you missing out on any important money-making details. Let's get right into it. So, have you ever struggled to get your social media presence to take off? It can be tough to gain traction, especially when you're just starting out. But don't worry, I've got an awesome solution for you that won't break the bank. It's none other than Panel Stars, the social media marketing SMM website that offers a wide range of affordable social media engagement services. You can get likes, follows, views, and more at super reasonable prices, making it an excellent option for anyone who wants to boost their social media presence without spending a fortune. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Panel Stars to make some extra cash by increasing the number of followers for Instagram pages. It's a simple process that can have a huge impact on your social media presence. Before we dive in, you might be wondering why you should even care about having a social media presence. You probably already know that having a large following on social media can help you increase your reach, grow your brand, and even make money. But did you know that brands are more likely to work with influencers and businesses that have a strong social media presence? That's where Panel Stars comes in. With their affordable social media engagement services, you can quickly and easily increase your Instagram following, which can help you attract more brands and business opportunities, and in this case, help others increase their visibility too. And all of this is going to help us with our ultimate goal, making money. Step 1. Sign up to panelstars.com. Okay, so now that you know what Panel Stars is, the first step is to sign up, and don't worry, this step is super easy and straightforward. First things first, head on over to panelstars.com. Once you're there, you'll see a bunch of different social media engagement services that you can purchase to boost your social media presence. But we're getting ahead of ourselves here. Let's focus on signing up for now. To get started, look for the Sign Up button at the top of the page. Once you find it, give it a click, and from there, you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to fill out some information. Don't worry, it's nothing too complicated. Just enter your name, email address, and a password that you'll remember, and then click on Create Account. After that, you'll be redirected to the dashboard, where you'll find all of the social media engagement services that Panel Stars offers. You can start buying these services and offering them to your clients or followers to start making money. Panel Stars offers a whole load of social media engagement services, such as likes, followers, views, and comments. Each service has its own price, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs. The prices are very reasonable, which makes it a great option for anyone who wants to increase their social media presence without spending a ton of money. But wait, what if you're not sure which services to purchase or how to go about offering them to your followers? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next step, we'll go over how to find Instagram pages that have less than 20,000 followers and how to reach out to them to offer your services. Step 2. Go to Instagram and find pages that have less than 20,000 followers. Okay, so the next step is all about finding Instagram pages that could benefit from your services. So let's start by looking for pages that have less than 20,000 followers. Why this number, you ask? Well, it's because these people are likely still in the early stages of building their following and could really use a boost. Plus, they might not have the best budget to invest in expensive social media marketing services, which is where you come in with your affordable services. But how do you find these pages? It's actually pretty simple. Just hop on over to Instagram and start searching for pages that have great content but are lacking in followers. Look for pages that align with your niche or industry and have the potential to grow with a little bit of help. Step 3. Get in touch with the creators. Now that you know how to find the right Instagram pages to target, it's time to focus on crafting the perfect message to send to their creators. Keep in mind that this message will be your first impression, so it's important to make it count. Think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. It's always a good idea to start with a friendly greeting like "Hey there" or "Hi." Then you can mention that you came across their page and were impressed with their content. It's important to be genuine here. If it's possible, then don't just copy and paste the same message to every page you come across. Once you've established a friendly tone, it's time to get down to business. Let them know that you noticed their follower count is low and that you can help them increase it. Make sure to emphasize the benefits of increasing their followers. They'll be able to reach a wider audience, attract more potential customers, and gain more credibility in their niche. And of course, don't forget to mention that you can do all of this in just a few days. Finally, ask if this is something that they would be interested in. You want to make it clear that you're offering something of value, but also give them the opportunity to opt out if it's not the right fit for them. You could try something like this. "Hey there, I recently came across your page and loved the content you're putting out. However, I noticed that your follower count is a bit low and I wanted to offer my services to help you grow your following. With my help, you could increase your followers in just a few days and start seeing more engagement on your posts. Is this something you'd be interested in?" Of course, feel free to personalize this message to fit your own voice and style. Remember, this message should be personalized to fit your own voice and style. Don't be afraid to show your personality and be yourself. After all, people want to work with someone they can relate to and trust. The key is to make it clear that you can offer something of value to the creator and their page. If you're having trouble coming up with the right message to send to creators, don't worry. You can always use ChatGPT to help you craft the perfect pitch. Simply go to chatgpt.com, type in a brief description of what you want to say, such as, "Hey there, I want to offer my services to help Instagram pages with low followers increase their following. Can you help me come up with a message to send to creators?" ChatGPT will then generate a response that you can use as a starting point for your own message. From there, you can customize it to fit your own style and personality, and send it off to creators with confidence. It's a great way to make sure that you're putting your best foot forward and increasing your chances of success. Step 4. Charge a higher price than panel stars to get a profit. Alright, so once you've sealed the deal with the creator and they're excited to work with you, it's time to talk about payment. Now, don't undercut yourself. Make sure you charge a fair price for your services. You want to be making a profit after all. Once you've agreed on a price and received payment, it's time to head back to Panel Stars and start fulfilling the service. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. Just select the service you want to offer, likes, follows, views, etc., enter the account details, and make the payment. After that, all you have to do is wait for a few days for the social media engagement to be delivered to that account. And you've successfully completed your first job with Panel Stars. Repeat this process with other Instagram pages and watch the money start rolling in. And that's it! I hope you found this tutorial useful and are excited to try it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you more tips and tricks for making money online, and you definitely don't want to miss out. See you next time!